At the end of the video, we'll point you to a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot. Starting an LLC in Nevada involves several steps. Here's a general guide. 1. Choose a name for your LLC. The name you select must be distinguishable from other business entities registered in Nevada. You can check the availability of your desired name through the Nevada Secretary of State's website. 2. Appoint a registered agent. You must designate a registered agent in Nevada who will receive legal documents on behalf of your LLC. The registered agent must have a physical street address in Nevada. 3. File articles of organization. You need to file articles of organization with the Nevada Secretary of State. This document typically includes your LLC's name, address, registered agent information, and the names of the LLC's members/managers. You can file online or by mail. 4. Create an operating agreement. Although not required by Nevada law, it's highly recommended to create an operating agreement. This document outlines the ownership structure and operating procedures of your LLC. 5. Obtain an EIN. You'll need to obtain an Employer Identification Number, EIN, from the IRS. This number is used for tax purposes and opening business bank accounts. 6. File initial list of managers or members and state business license application. Within the first 30 days of forming your LLC, you must file the initial list of managers or members and the state business license application with the Nevada Secretary of State. 7. Pay annual fees and taxes. Nevada requires LLCs to pay an annual fee and file an annual list of managers or members. 8. Comply with other requirements. Depending on your business type and location, you may need to obtain additional licenses or permits to operate legally in Nevada. It's recommended to consult with a legal or business advisor to ensure you're fulfilling all requirements correctly. Additionally, the Nevada Secretary of State's website provides detailed information and forms for starting an LLC in the state. Thank you for watching. As we conclude this video, go to the description below this video for a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot.